I'm going to introduce Dr. Jeff Thompson, who will be our first speaker. He is the CEO here at Gunderson Lutheran. Dr. Thompson.
My interest in this activity has to do with how it affects not only Gunderson Lutheran, but our community broadly. There are times when, in healthcare, we are expected as an employer to hit federal and state laws that don't connect. We have rules that say if someone shows up sick, we have to take care of them. That's not a hard rule. That's how we live. That's how we behave. But there's a House of Representatives bill that would basically criminalize a healthcare worker if they took care of an undocumented immigrant and didn't report it because they hadn't done all the work to make sure the documentation was good. Do you want your doctor or your nurse focusing on immigration law or healthcare? We can move forward on these issues and come to a reasonable conclusion that has responsibility on both sides met, and yet demonstrates what our history and what our current realities are in regards to the great advantages diversity provides to our communities and to our organizations.
He's one of our agricultural leaders in this state, a man I have great respect for, John Rosenow.
We have a dairy farm. We're considered one of those factory farms, I guess. We have 550 milk cows. We have 19 employees, 8 of them are Mexican. We all have stereotypes of what a employer of immigrants is like. On our farm, Santiago has been there the longest. He's been there, I think, in August now, it'll be 2 years. He's making $29,000. And we provide him a place to stay. But if I'm going to be a good employer and do what I need to do to make my business a profitable business and a progressive business, I need to do these things. I need to provide health insurance. I need to provide a good living wage. I need to know the needs and wants of every one of my employees, whether they're immigrants or they're from next door or they're my cousin. I participated in a program called Puentes, our bridges, where it takes us employers down to Mexico to learn the language and also to learn the culture of Mexico. And the immigration debates, I hear so much, let's send them all home. If that's the case, I would like to know where I can hire somebody to work on our farm.